My dear students, today we start the last unit of our book English for Success. The unit is called People and the World. And as you can understand, today we are going to start the first lesson, and the topic of this first lesson is Moldova, a stairway to heaven. So, to start this lesson, we are going to start with an acronym. You know that an acronym is an abbreviation of a name of a corporation, a company, an institution. So, as you can see on the slide, there is the acronym of the word team. So, team means together everyone achieves more. Thinking about the acronym and thinking about the name of our country, let us pretend that Moldova is an acronym and every letter stands for something. I want you to pause and take a few minutes and think what are the words that could be a part of this acronym. When you are ready, return to us and we are going to check your answers. Now, if you are ready with your acronym, I prepared my own. Let us see. So this is my idea of an acronym for the word Moldova. And my acronym sounds like this. My own love discovered outside valleys all around. So I hope that you like my acronym, and let us continue speaking about Moldova. But before speaking about Moldova, tell me please, in these pictures, do people travel, discover, or explore? And what is the perfect word for this action of going somewhere? You would say that there is no difference between them because while we are going somewhere, we are doing all of them. So we are traveling, we are discovering, and we are exploring. I agree. But there is a small difference among them. Let us find them. Travel. Travel means to go on a journey or visit different places, especially places that are far away from where you live or work. Discover. Discover means to find out something that you did not know before. And explore means to travel to a place in order to learn about it or to search for something valuable. So, while we are traveling, we can discover and we can explore. But there is a tiny difference between them. So, you understood what is travel, explore, and discover, and I'm sure that you knew all these words. Now, let us think. Where could people travel to in Moldova? What could they discover and explore? The pictures that you see on your screens will help you understand what are the places that we can travel to and what can we discover and explore. So, can you identify the places? Can you name the places that you see on your screens? Of course you do. So, Cricova Winery, Soroca Fortress, Orheiul Vechi, Ștefan cel Mare Oak Tree, and Saharna Monastery. These are among most famous places that are in Moldova. Look please at the two sentences. Together with me, let us decide which word in blue font is the best for each sentence. I will read the sentences and you think. We should take this route from Soroka to Costești Stânga. It will be fun. The site of Orheiul Vechi monastery is mysterious. It makes me feel in another era. Before we share your thoughts, let us understand what is the difference between the first pair of words and the second pair of words. By the way, in English we say that they are homonyms. Yes, so they are pronounced in the same way, but they are written in a different way. So, route or route? Route means a way taken or planned from one place to another. Root means part of a plant, tree, etc., which is normally in the soil. So, for example, if someone asks you, what is the route to this place? So he asks you, what is the way? So how can he get there? But if you say that all trees, all plants have roots, it means that they have something in the soil that keeps them straight. Site or site? So, site means a place where something of special interest existed or happened. As a verb, it means to put or build in a particular position. Sight means the power of seeing, eyesight or vision, presence in one's view, something worth seeing. As a verb, it means to get a view of, to see for the first time. So, if we go back to the slide, tell me please, what is the word that we should choose for the first sentence? The second one. Yes, you're right. So, route as a way, how to get from one point to another point. And for the second sentence, of course, is the second word, sight, because sometimes when we go to another country, or let's say we go in Moldova, we always say that we go sightseeing. So we want to see the sights of these wonderful places. Thank you for your help, and let us continue. So, because we spoke about Moldova and we enumerated some places that we can visit and we can travel to, let us pretend that we have a conversation and we decided to go together somewhere in Moldova. Look please at your screen, pause, and complete the dialogue in your own way. Afterwards, we are going to check together. As far as I understand, you are ready to check, so I will give you an example how to complete this dialogue using what we have discussed in today's lesson. So, where have you been recently? What have you seen? I have been to Soroka Fortress. I've seen the medieval building. I have always been eager to visit some nice places of interest in Moldova. Could you recommend me some places which we can travel to or we can discover together? Sure. Let's go to Orheiul Vechi. Great, but which route do you prefer? I like the route Chișinău and Orheiul Vechi. Okay, give me a ring then. Okay, see you next time. So this is a model of how you can complete this dialogue. If you have a lot of ideas, you can make it more complex or you can enrich it. But in this way, I showed you that while we are talking in English, we can use and we can speak words about our state, about our country. And to wrap up our lesson, I'm going to ask you to do a reflection task. So the reflection task is, if you were to choose one place in Moldova which you haven't visited yet, which one would you choose? Think about the routes to it, its sights, and what can you discover and explore there. If everything is clear, I wanted to tell you thank you for your attention, and I had a great time together with you. Have a very nice day, and don't forget, stay home and learn English. See you next time. Bye bye.